this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this I have a cover for iPhone 14 Plus. Let me unpack this one first. Here we go. I expected a little bit better because in picture they showed another thing. You see here magnetic. This is a magnetic for the charging and other stuff. Your phone will not fall. Not bad. Look quite bulky though. There's a film I think here. Let me put my phone inside. Wow, it looks beautiful though. Lovely. It's cheap. I didn't pay a lot. I paid $3 to $4 and shipping was free to Spain. So it looks lovely as original Apple. You have to pay more, 20, 30 or 50. I don't know how much Apple is charging these days. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.